how to change the Serpentine Belt tensioner on your Chevy Camaro with a 2.0 liter engine. I am Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the Serpentine belt is really easy. You need a 3/4 inch ratchet or a 3/4 inch breaker bar, whichever you have. Since I have the breaker bar, I'm going to use that because it'll give me more leverage. And also, before you take the belt off, my car doesn't have a belt diagram, so I just drew it out really quick so I know exactly how it goes on after I take it off. So right here on the tensioner, there's a square opening in the middle, and this is where you're going to put your breaker bar or ratchet. And all you need to do is get it in place and then push it towards the passenger side of the car to relieve the tension, and you can simply slide the belt off. To remove the tensioner, there is a 15mm bolt right here in the middle. So I'm just going to use my 15mm socket and ratchet to get that center bolt out, and the tensioner should come away. To reinstall the tensioner, you'll notice there's like a dowel pin on the back of it, and that needs to line up with this hole right here. Just get it lined up and thread the bolt end by hand. And now we just need to reinstall the belt. It's really tight in between the tensioner pulley and the front of the engine, so I'm just going to slide this part in first. Okay, with that part on, we can just route it the rest of the way. So using the diagram, I got the belt back on with no issues. Now we can start it up, and this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.